Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Upwork account. So first of all, obviously you have to log into your Upwork account. You can see that this is my profile ID. And now if you want to delete your Upwork account, what you can do is you just have to simply tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner and then click on settings. And in settings, you have to scroll down and you can see this is a client account, or if you have another account, this is a freelancer account. You can hit create new account or close. So if we tap on close, leaving shown, we have to see you yes, select your reason here, that why are you deleting your Upwork account, I no longer work, and then tap on close account. Then you will be redirected to this. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. So don't forget to check our recommended resources links below in the description. And if you like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.